Hello viewers, you're welcome. Let's see how we are going to solve this exponential problem. So now from here, I can rewrite this equation. We have e to the power 2x equals e to the power x plus 6. I can rewrite this equation to be e to the power x, then I put the 2 outside. That is from the law of indices, right? So when you have a to the power mn, I can write this to be e to the power n, then I put m outside. Is it the same thing? So it equals e to the power x plus 6. So now from there, so what we're going to do is that we can see that we have e to the power x, e to the power x common. So let e to the power x be a. Alright, so therefore we're going to have a squared equals a plus 6. So we can write this equation in quadratic form as taking everything here to the left hand side. Then we'll be left with what? Minus here, we'll be left with 0. So now from there, we look for the factors of minus 6, that is a equals 0, because it's going to be in this form. So we look for the factors of minus 6. So when we multiply them together, we're going to have minus 6, but when we add them together, we're going to have minus 1. So we're going to use minus 3, then plus 2. So a minus 3, a plus 2 equals 0. So this is either saying a minus 3 equals 0 or a plus 2 equals 0. Right? A minus 3 equals 0 or a plus 2 equals 0. So now from there, so we can see that a will be 3 and a is going to be minus 2. Are you following? So now since a is 3 and a is minus 2, don't forget that we are not looking for a. What we are looking for is a variable x. So therefore we recall that when a equals e to the power x, so we take 3 equals e to the power x, right? So for this value a, and don't forget that a must be what? A must be greater than 0. So since a is greater than 0 here, so we can go further from here, saying that taking the natural log of both sides. Okay, so now this ln e, they are going to cancel each other. So this x will come down. We're going to have x to be equals ln what? Ln 3. So now let's look at this second solution where a equals to this. So a can never be negative, right? So since a cannot be negative, so we cannot have that e to the power x equals what? Minus 2. So e to the power minus can never be what? Minus 2, because this a equals minus 2 is a negative value, negative. So therefore we are going to reject a equals to minus 2 will be what? Will be rejected, right? So therefore we only have one solution here, x equals ln 3. So if you find the class so interesting, so do not hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. Bye bye.